Are you tired of being bothered by mosquitoes and other pesky insects? Do you want a natural way to keep them at bay? Look no further than lemon eucalyptus essential oil. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Now let's talk about lemon eucalyptus. Lemon eucalyptus essential oil is a versatile and effective insect repellent that can help keep bugs at bay without the use of harmful chemicals. This essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the lemon eucalyptus tree and has been used for centuries to repel insects and treat various ailments. One of the most impressive uses of lemon eucalyptus essential oil is its ability to repel mosquitoes. Studies have shown that lemon eucalyptus essential oil is just as effective as DEET, a common chemical insect repellent, at keeping mosquitoes at bay. In fact, some research suggests that it may be even more effective. Not only does lemon eucalyptus essential oil repel mosquitoes, but it can also help keep other biting insects like ticks and fleas away. This makes it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts who want to enjoy nature without being bothered by mosquitoes. But lemon eucalyptus essential oil isn't just for repelling insects. It also has a range of other uses and benefits. For example, it has antiseptic properties that can help cleanse and purify the skin. It can also help with congestion and coughs. In addition, lemon eucalyptus essential oil has a bright, refreshing scent that can help uplift your mood and energize your mind. It's a great oil to diffuse in your home or office when you need a little pick-me-up. So, if you're looking for a natural, effective insect repellent that also has a range of other benefits, consider adding lemon eucalyptus essential oil to your collection. With its ability to repel mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas, and its antiseptic and mood-boosting properties, it's a must-have oil for anyone who loves spending time outdoors or who want to create a clean, uplifting environment at home or work. To use lemon eucalyptus essential oil, you can add a few drops to a diffuser or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it directly to your skin. With its versatile uses and benefits, lemon eucalyptus essential oil is a great investment for anyone looking to enhance their well-being and enjoy the great outdoors without being bothered by pesky insects. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.